Okay, what you're looking at is a driver in trouble because there is no room to get gas. The right tire is close to the right pump, the left tire is close to the left pump, the truck is almost run out of area. You should not always go to a gas station that you can go in and out without problem. Don't worry about the gas price. If you saved a dime a gallon and you get 10 gallons, you saved $1. But to save that dollar, you have to risk a couple of $1,000s. You know, that white car could have been an accident waiting in a jam-packed parking lot. So focus on getting in and out without getting in trouble. Go to also seen pumps that have severe ramp where you climb up to go to the parking lot. They're 4 or 5 feet above in just a matter of seconds, and your trailer will rub as you go in and out. Always go to a known gas station. Don't worry about the price, and go boating, go fishing, but be safe. Have a great day. I hope this is going to save you some money on accidents. Talk to you later. Have a great day.